Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, by golly, are you ready to take another flying leap at our painting? Okay, let's go ahead and put some land in there. I'll meet you over at the easel. Alrighty, here we go. Let's put a little bit of features in here. I'm just going to dampen this area down right here, right down to about there, okay? And then something out there down to about there. Okay, there we go. Now I've got that nice brownie color that we used, but I've tempered it a little bit so it's darker. And we want it to be darker here because we're indicating that there's some kind of a hill out there, okay? But we don't want it to be so intrusive that we lose the misty appearance, okay? And so we know this is going to dry lighter, much lighter, and that's okay because that's going to give us exactly the look that we want. And there we go. That's not bad at all. We just bring this right across here, just like that. Now, we need just a little bit of dark down here, just like that. This is like kind of dark waters, okay? We need it kind of dark down there, kind of dark down there. Again, is everything going to dry lighter? So we're in good shape. Now we just take our tissue. We'll just kind of block here and there and put a little of that in there, just to kind of give the appearance of some misty stuff. There we go. Now be with me tomorrow, and we'll continue on with our painting. Till then, remember to like, subscribe, follow, comment. We need comments. And hit the link so you get or hit the bell so you get every notification. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. All righty. That was kind of fun. We got it done. Looking good. Okay, now tomorrow we're going to do a little bit more playing around work. Then we're going to get some real serious stuff going, okay? I'll meet you tomorrow. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.